in this video, I'm going to be teaching how I made this inseam pocket. It's very easy and quick to do. So if you're interested in it, kindly watch till the end. Let's get started. So I'm going to be using this piece of fabric for the pocket, and the length of this fabric is 10 inch. I'm going to be marking 2 inches down, and from that 2 inches point, I'm going to be marking the length of my pocket. So from that point, mark 6 inches down. That is going to be the size or length of our pocket. After marking 6 inches, go in by 1/2 inch on both sides. So from that point, I'm going to be marking 1/2 inch in, and do same at the other point. After marking, connect with your ruler. So this is going to be the size of the pocket. Now after marking, I'll go ahead and then mark 1 inch out from that point on both sides. So just mark 1 inch as I am doing. It's very easy to do, so just pay attention. After marking 1 inch, I'm now going to draw in the shape of my pocket. So however you want the shape of your pocket to be, you go ahead and then shape it nicely. So this is how I want the shape of my pocket to be. So I'll go ahead and then cut out. Note we are cutting out 2 pockets, but then for this tutorial we are going to be cutting only 1 pair. So I just marked the wrong side of it. Then I've picked my skirt or pants, whatever you want to fix the pocket on. Place it down and then place the pocket on it like this, starting from wherever you want your pockets to start. So after placing it on, I'll go ahead and then stitch on that part. But then before stitching, note we are stitching on the wrong side. These are the right sides and that is the wrong side as well. So we are going to stitch on that line I just made, just like that. So after stitching, make sure you secure the ends, and then this is the outcome. At this point, I'll go ahead and then snip that part in and do same to the other side as well. This is to enable us turn with ease. I'm going to turn to the right side and then top stitch the pocket. So before you stitch, make sure you raise that 1 inch up. That 1 inch I left at the upper and then lower part, raise it up before stitching. We are not stitching on that 1 inch. So raise it up and then stitch, and when you get to the end, raise it up again and then stitch. Note, do not stitch on that 1 inch. So I'm going ahead to stitch. You can stitch about 1/4, however you want it to look. That depends on you. So you go ahead and then top stitch. I'm stitching just at the tip of it. So as you can see, I raised that 1 inch up before stitching the end. So after stitching, I'll go ahead and place the other part of the pocket under the first one, so with wrong sides facing each other. So as you can see, I'm going to start pinning from that 1 inch. So make sure that 1 inch and the lower part is together before pinning. Note, pin both upper and lower parts before pinning any other parts to enable it get it right. So after that, I went ahead to pin every part, and I took it to my machine and then stitched. After stitching, this is what I have. I'll go ahead and then snip all round. This is to enable the pocket lie flat after pressing it. So at this point, you can go ahead and then knit that part before snipping. Now turn it out like this to see the shape of the pocket. After turning it out, you are going to be getting something like this. Turn to the other side and you can see the pocket is taking shape. I went ahead to press it down As you can see, it's looking neat at this point. So I'm going to be placing the other part of the skirt, pants, or whatever you are stitching on top of it, just like this, with right sides facing each other. So we are placing the right sides together and we are going to stitch that part. Note, make sure you don't stitch on the pocket itself. So stitch on the line just at the tip of it. So at this point, I'm going ahead to stitch, and after stitching, our pocket will be done. Watch and then don't stitch on the pocket itself. So after stitching, this is what I have. You can see the pocket is in the seam, looking nice and neat. So thanks for watching. This is the end of the tutorials. Don't forget to like, comment, and share my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.